Happy Hoarder here, and welcome to my Mastermind Influencers Team video, hosted by our founder, Allie, at Decor Home and Lifestyle. Please check in the description so you can watch all of these ladies' videos. I know they all have great advice. I've had an Instagram account since I started my YouTube channel, but I really haven't used it. And it wasn't until recently that I decided to design a little thumbnail so that I could use my YouTube thumbnails for my Instagram posts. Now, I already had Adobe Photoshop Elements 2018 on my computer before I started doing YouTube, and I also had my iMovie program as well. So you see I'm having a little fun here, just putting some pumpkins up and doing some shadowing behind them. But I wanted to go back and get my Vlogtober, because this is a post I still need to put up. And when I did, I noticed, oh, one of my pumpkins is in the way. I'm gonna have to do a little redirecting here and there and moving some stuff around. It was just for fun. This particular week, we weren't supposed to have pumpkins, so I thought it'd be funny if I put pumpkins actually on my post. Just me being silly. Sorry about that. I'm going to take this now and share this to my phone. I decided to put it on my phone because to me it's easier to share from my phone than from my computer. I don't know why this is a thing, but I do have problems sharing from my computer. And I know there's a way you have to go in and do all this stuff. I just have to keep redoing that. So it's just easier to just send it from my phone. So I did that, and as I did that, I went to tag all the people in my group. And that is when I realized I am not following everybody in my group. So here's a pointer to everybody in the different groups. Go follow the people in your groups. And when you post something about your video, like what we're doing now with this video, then by all means, you want to tag all the people involved. So I'm going through and like looking at people and saying, what? Where are my people? So I did notice that my numbers have gone up a little in the past week since I've been posting all these new Instagram posts. So I hope that's helping. Something I'm doing must be helping. And I really believe it's being more active in Instagram. Instagram's a lot of fun. I think it's still a little bit more interactive than the YouTube. So I encourage you to join up if you haven't. And if you are on it, become more active. So one of the things that I did, I had to do my entire video last month on my husband's computer, including designing the thumbnail. It was a completely different program than what I designed this one on. So I had to go get it, and I had no copies of it on this computer. I had to go save a file from my YouTube account, and then I just used that sort of as my template to design a new one. So you're going to see me go through a lot of changes here designing my new thumbnail. The first thing you always do is make sure your thumbnail's the right size. I actually inadvertently hit the wrong number and I put 740 instead of 720, so make sure it's the standard size, which is 1280 by 720 resolution and a minimum width of 640 pixels. And one thing I like to do with my different playlists is have a unique thumbnail for each one. So if people are seeing across the span of a lot of videos that I've posted, they can start telling which ones go to what playlist. I do have a playlist for the videos I make for this group, so I wanted to make sure they all kind of, looked alike. But I do have a really good time playing with lettering. I just had to check out all these different colors to see what I like, and I can't spend a lot of time doing that. So finally I decided on just pulling a color from the group photo, and I kind of played around dark to light and different kind of techniques to go online and download those. Then I also redid my coloring a little bit to make sure that I liked how it looked with it. So I'm doing a lot of playing around. This is why it takes me so long to get anything done. This literally took me an hour of just playing around. And I did download from YouTube some of their graphics so that I could use them on my YouTube videos and stuff. It's good to have those. Usually I work on my thumbnails after I made a video. Because I decided to make the video of me making my thumbnail, I did it first. As you can see, I play around with it a lot, but usually it times out pretty good because I finish with my video and I'm waiting for it to download and upload, and then finally I get it finished. So to answer the question, can Instagram help your YouTube channel? Absolutely. I think posting on any social media would help you out, but if you're going to do that, post other people's as well. It's always a good idea to share the videos that you like on Instagram and your other social media. And don't forget to tag the others who are participating in the collaborations with you. Now I know it gets busy when there's a big challenge and a lot of people are involved, but if there's, say, a dozen people or less, then absolutely put their names in. And don't forget those hashtags. Oh, those hashtags. That is a whole nother story. And finally, make a cute post, something that's going to grab people's eyes so that they know you have posted a video on YouTube. Thanks for watching. And make sure you check out all the other participants in the Masterminds Influencers team. If you subscribe to me from seeing me on Instagram, please let me know in the comments below. And please hit like and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification button because sometimes I make pretty good videos. Bye!